All right, to end today's lesson, we are going to be doing a student book daily practice page. This is going to be in our student book 234, and it is titled Area and Perimeter Challenges. So you're going to use all the skills we practiced in today's lesson, plus from our previous lessons, to decide and determine whether or not you're going to be using area or perimeter for these problems. Please make sure you're reading the problems carefully because oftentimes they will give you hints as to what type of problem you are doing. All right, please use labeled sketches and equations. We are going to be looking for both, okay? A labeled sketch and an equation to model and solve each problem below. Show your work. This is how the directions want you to do it. That is how we expect you to do them. All right, number 1. A rectangle has a perimeter of 84 meters. One dimension is 7 meters. How long is the unknown dimension? Number 2. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 24 centimeters and one dimension is 10 centimeters, what is the area? Okay, so that one's a tricky one. You're given the entire perimeter plus one dimension. You have to find the area. Draw a rectangle. All right, number 3. We have 2 challenge problems today. Number 3, our first challenge problem. A rectangle has an area of 243 square feet. One dimension is 9 feet. What is the length of the other dimension? Draw a sketch and show your work. Number 4, our second challenge problem. If the area of a rectangle is 36 square yards and one dimension is 12 yards, what's the perimeter? Think about what you're doing, draw it all out, and good luck.